So I cut the drone on and it said something about you're over the correctional facility or something like that. I'm like, oh shit, I might lose my drone. Everything's going wrong today.
See, you gotta have these. Last time I didn't, and it fell over, but. Once this is on there, it kind of stays. Sand from the beach. All right, so I just broke 2 of my lights. It's crazy windy out here right now, so what I'm gonna have to do is improvise. I'm gonna have to shoot natural light today. So today we won't be using a light because the wind here is crazy. And if you, yep, that'll be nice. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, move the hair real quick. There we go, right there. All right. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. All right, bring that leg out, the front leg out.
This one?
Yep, bring it out a little bit and then turn your body just a little bit to the right. This way. Yep, that way. And now move your hair. There we go. That's perfect. All right, 1, 2, 3. Have your hand just like this. Yeah. Yeah, actually, yeah, I like that. 1, 2, 3. So drop your hand just a little bit. I'm gonna try to get the full body. Yeah, like right there. Oh yeah, that's it right there. All right, 1, 2, 3.
Stop it, Gucci, stop it, Louis V, yeah. Come with me, fly you out to Greece, beach, baby. Life sweet, baby. I ain't stop, baby. You just go get ready, we go out, baby. Ozzy had to bounce, yeah. Come with me.
1, 2, 3. Nice. That one turned out good. Even with the hair blowing. Yeah, that's wonderful. So to get your resting face, like breathe and then just kind of like relax your face and just part your lips a little bit. So almost like you're blowing out like it's kind of like a modeling face, but don't open your mouth too much. Now you look fine. Your hair.
I have a naturally mean face.
That's okay. Take your breath and then don't close your lips, just part them a little bit. And look this way a little bit. Yeah, right there. Right there. Nice. Okay. And then look, turn your body. Turn your body a little more. Turn your body a little more. All right, turn your head this way a little bit. This way a little bit. Yeah, but you're gonna look this way. Perfect. Nice. One more time. 1, 2, 3. All right, smile on this one, little smirk. 1, 2, 3. Okay. That's a good angle.
Yeah.
All right, let's move around. Get some more. Nice. 1, 2, 3. Stay right there. 1, 2, 3. That's really nice. I want you to look that way like you was gonna do. 1, 2, 3. With the wind blowing, got your hair. One more time. 1, 2, 3. All right, do that again, but put your hand on your hip. That one.
This one?
That one. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Yes. 1, 2, 3. Let's do a sideways one.
Side.
Yes.
This way?
Yeah, sideways. Yeah. Let's do this. I'm gonna try to get it quick. I can get close, actually. 1, 2. Oh, I like that. 1, 2, 3. All right, 1, 2, 3. Whoa. I appreciate it, God. All right. Again. And one more time. Oops. That's okay. Okay. All right, so you got to get some attitude to your legs. So bend one of them. Yeah, something like that. There we go. 1, 2, 3. All right. 1, 2. Chin down a little bit. 1, 2, 3. Again. 1, 2, 3. Okay.
Okay. Yeah, that was a good one. That was a good one.
Yeah. All right, so do it again and squat just a little bit. Yeah, just like that. I'm gonna come in some. Right there. 1, 2, 3. I just want you to be here like this. Like this. Right here. Like this. One foot like that. You just leaning on it. Yes. Turn your body just a little bit. Yep. Okay, put your hand up higher. Yep, and put that hand on your waist. Yep, just like that. All right, take a deep breath. Relax. All right. Nice. Turn this way a little bit, your head. Okay. Yes, and now look at me. Yes, just like that. Okay. Yeah. And put that right on your thigh. Yeah, just like that. Look this way just a little bit. Yeah, right there. Stay right there. It's coming loose. All right, 1, 2. Put your hand back up. 1, 2, 3. Yep. You're doing good. All right, boom. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Smile a little bit. Now turn your body just a little bit this way. Yep, right there. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So I was thinking something like this. Yeah. Do it again where you're playing with your hair. And look up a little bit. Yeah, right there. All right, just look at me with your eyes. Yep. I could have went in the garage, but my lights broke now. Yeah. Season changes.
Season changes, wind blows your lights down.
I'm gonna try one more thing before we finish. There's a spot down there that we passed. It's like a little, it's in between the buildings with a whole bunch of little trees are, like the little walkway. We may be able to get away with that if the buildings can block the wind. Okay, it's kind of calm here, huh? Okay, so we might can work with it right here. Let's start at the top of the steps, and then we're gonna work our way down. I'm thinking something like this. One leg up. That's not a pole, so it's gonna be a little different. How about one leg up and you just do something like that? And let's see how that looks first.
Okay, bring that arm down. Yes. Just switch. And then lean towards me, because I'm kind of low. Ah. Ah. One, two.
You missed your blessing.
I know. It's about to calm down in a minute. 1, 2, 3. All right, put that hand on your thigh. Yeah, like that. Yeah. Okay. Here it is. 1, 2, 3.
Oh, snap.
I got you.
Okay.
All right. Again. Hold on. There's the wind. Okay, 1, 2, 3. All right. Smile a little bit. There you go. Okay, that's better. 1, 2, 3. Look away a little bit. Smile. Chin down. All right, give me like a little smirk. Yeah. All right, look at me just with your eyes. Yep. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Nice. I like that. Yep. Okay. Nice. And I'm just waiting for your hair to come down because the wind blowing it. Yeah. And then look at me with your eyes. Yep. Turn your head just a little bit. Yep, right there. Okay. Yeah, let's try that.